YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. I don't have any lights on in the garage, except for that one. Let me get a couple. There. Raining today. You can hear the rain hitting the garage. Just a tin roof on this. Massive health off. Everything's green. Most of the snow is off the fields. Our pastures flood just a little bit. Excuse me. Went for a drive today. Went over to Ohio to go shopping at Sam's, and lo and behold, when we go that way, we drive by somewhere. I don't know exactly where he is. Ohio Woodburner, which he has a channel here on YouTube. A lot of people watch firewood channels. And we went by his area, and his area was really messy. I mean, a lot of runoff, a lot of mud, a lot of standing water in fields. It's going to be pretty nasty. I know there's some snow going through my old town of Illinois, and it's a nasty day here. Hopefully we will not flood out too bad, but we're here for nighttime chores. Let's see what we can do. You don't think certain ducks have personalities or whatever? Statue knows where I go in to get the food. He knows where I'll throw food. He knows it's dinner time. He'll come to me. We'll give him some corn. Statue's a big lover of corn. He likes oats too, and barley. He's kind of a beast when it comes down to it. Usually he just eats the chicken feed, and then I'll every now and then buy some game bird food or turkey food, which is a little bit higher protein. But he's doing pretty good on size and shape. He's doing just fine. But I see someone trying to steal his food. What are you doing? Statue's a little leery of the livestock guardian dog. Statue don't mind the rain. The dog don't mind the rain. Two animals that really don't mind the rain. What's up, my favorite donkey? Yeah, I know. You want some feed. Hold on. What's up, Jenny? Sally's the one that will jump over the fence. So I can't feed him because Sally's grass only. Sorry, Sally. Well, I had to put that down to get Jenny fed. She's semi-happy. Right, Jenny? Crazy chickens. Let's see how the sheep are doing. What? You want to be on camera more? Yeah, you do, don't you? Okay. Let's see what the... Sheep are pretty much hunkered down today. Can't really see, not the best light. But they have been laying down. They're kind of just mellow. Just one of those days. Well, we're at the mineral feeder. The girls are really going through the minerals right now. So it's really tapping their system with those lambs. But, oh, Jenny. She's mad. What, Buford? I like this one from Fortiflex. It has the hooks on it so I can hook it up to this grid wall, and they can just eat it out of there. As you can see, they're all fine for it right now. It's one of those days when they're sitting in here all the time. They get a little rambunctious when they see something come down because the grass is always greener. Side note, I don't think that rooster's been fighting anymore. He's hanging out with his mom right now. But no more fighting. I'm in the little chicken coop right now, so it's a little noisy, and goats, of course, saw me. Something to think about is we're having all this rain, and we've had all this snow. So there's been some snow and ice brought into the chicken coop, and now rain, so the humidity is going up, and it's supposed to get really cold. Something to always keep in mind is the humidity level inside your chicken coop. Make sure it's ventilated well, because humidity really plays havoc on birds. Last year, before I was filming, in fact last winter, I let the humidity level get too high, and it really hurt a couple of my birds bad. I had like 5 production reds, and I think I have 2 left. It took 3 of them. It's just they start getting raspy and whatever, and that's it. So keep that in mind, especially with the weather changes, how we're going hot, cold. Maybe where you are, maybe not. I know I watch some people on YouTube and they're in the same boat, hot to cold. So that's that. One thing I did do today is I got this tartar feeder, and I moved it inside the goat house. So they're eating out of it. It's dry. Goats hate rain. So I brought it inside so they could eat the hay out of it, because the hay feeder I got over there simply is not enough for what we have right now. And so I had that in there. I have the one feeder over there. Of course, they're fighting over here over the grass is greener, even though there's more feed in there and down there. But sometimes we have aggressive goats. Certain nannies are more aggressive, and they'll just butt everyone away. So that's what I'm doing today to combat all the rain and just the mud. It's mud season right now. It's been mud season since like September. It's just nasty. So keep them a little bit drier. It pushes on space a little bit in here, but we still have ample square footage for them. A couple stay on the backside underneath the table. I put some tin over it and around it. They like to stay there because they just don't get along. But all right, that's that. Gotta feed the pigs. Gotta get hay back into here and hay back to the sheep. I left the pig food over there. Of course. Chickens. All right. Well, I came out to my sheep pen, muddy mess, and I can tell someone got into trouble because my fence is down. They ripped some stuff out. Clearly the lambs. Gotta fix it. It really is a neat view to see fog lift off your pasture and the neighbor's pasture, all the fields around us. This was like 6 inches of snow yesterday. It's about all gone. I would love to see the streaming back. Well, Seasonal Creek is probably just roaring. All right, folks. I think that's it for today. They're in there eating. I got the sheep eating hay. It's just wet, nasty, and mud season, as I said. So I think I'm gonna go inside and try to stay dry and get a fire going before it gets cold tonight, as we can run the gas lights during the day and they produce a lot of heat for what it is. And we'll leave it there. Remember, only 97% of you are not subscribed. So I'd really appreciate it if you do. And like, share, you know, whatever. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Peace out. That's called a don't care attitude, folks.